we'll show you what we think are the best exercises for a tight lower back using a massage ball in this video. Your low back may get tight if you're sat for a long time, if you haven't moved for any reason. It can also get tight with a lot of the exercises, running or the high intensity stuff. The massage ball is really great. It's an inexpensive way to increase the blood flow to the area, and that can make things feel just a little bit looser and a little bit less tight. We're using a spiky massage ball, but you can also use a tennis one, which is obviously a little bit smoother. It's just a personal preference with the spikiness or the smoothness of the ball. My name's Claire, I'm a physiotherapist from PhysioFit Health. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated with our videos. The first of the exercise, you are going to get the ball and you're going to pop it into the low back area. So you want to target muscle rather than bone. So you've got your spine running down, you don't want to get it onto the spine. It's just going to be a little bit sore, a bit uncomfortable. You've got a muscle that I would suggest targeting in between the rib cage and the pelvis. So anywhere within that area is a pretty good place. Now with the ball, I'm just going to cover it with a towel so I don't mark the wall. You want to get the ball into the low back, and then you're going to squash it against the wall. Find where is a fairly tight area, and with this one you're just going to hold it there. So you can hold it there and focus on 4 or 5 really nice big deep breaths. It's the breath out that really taps into the relaxation of the body. The other variation you can do with this exercise is you can start moving it around a little bit, so up, down, side to side, round in a circle, just seeing where it feels tight and feels like a good area for you to focus on. I'd suggest 1 or 2 minutes at a time, move on to the other side, 1 or 2 minutes, and yeah, that's your first exercise. So the second exercise suggestion, again covering the ball with the towel, squash the ball within that low back area and squash it against the wall. So find an area of tightness. This time you're just going to get a little bit of movement into the body. So you've got your back nice and upright. It might even be leaning against the wall. And then you're going to tuck your chin in and then peel yourself away from the wall. Just stopping where it feels a little bit tight, if you get any tightness, and then you're going to roll yourself all the way back up into your upright position. So you're breathing out as you roll yourself down, you are breathing in as you stand yourself back up again. With the ball in this area plus the movement that you're doing, it just isolates in and around that area where the ball is, so it just can give like an extra stretch. So you've either got the option of doing this for a minute or 2 or count, so 2 or 3 lots of 10 roll downs is pretty good, and then you can move over onto the other side. Your third exercise suggestion, again, you're going to take the ball, squash it with your back against the wall, find a tight spot. You want to do movement, but this time you're moving away from the wall. So you're standing nice and upright, and then you are going to lean away. So I've got the ball on my right side, the low back, so I'm leaning over to my left, and then I'm standing myself all the way back up again. So again, you've got your 2 or 3 lots of 10 repetitions if you want to do the counting. Or you can do the time based, so 1 or 2 minutes at a time, and then you're going to go over onto the other side. The fourth exercise suggestion, squash the ball against the wall, low back, find that tight spot, or you might have a couple of tight spots. This suggestion, you are just going to combine a few of the movements. So you can lean the body over, so away from the ball, and then you can bring the body forwards. And then you're going to bring yourself all the way back up into your upright position. So just a few combinations of movements. The variety is really what is the good thing about this. So you don't have to do the same combination. You can maybe lean forwards and lean to the side. So just really kind of searching out what the areas that do feel tight for you. You've got your repetitions that you can do, 2 or 3 lots of 10 movements. That's what you're counting, or your 1 or 2 minutes at a time before moving on to the other side. Right, one of those exercise suggestions, or all 4 of them if you want to, just see which one really works for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon.